Video shows strong wind lifts Turkish man holding umbrella up in air. A video has surfaced online, showing a man being lifted several feet into the air while trying to hold down a patio umbrella during a storm in southern Turkey this week, while other people also tried to stop the umbrella from flying. The man went on to step on the umbrella's base. He jumped off the umbrella's base later. Woman brain dead for 3 months gives birth to baby boy. Ex-Portuguese canoeist Catarina Sequeira, who was declared brain dead on December 26 after a severe asthma fit when she was 19 weeks pregnant, gave birth to a baby boy on Thursday. For around 56 days, a ventilator was attached to her to enable her baby to survive in her womb. The funeral of the 26-year-old Catarina was held on Friday. Tracking 250 debris objects from ASAT test. ISS not at risk. US is tracking 250 to 270 objects of space debris generated due to India's anti-satellite ASAT missile test in low Earth orbit. But the International Space Station is not at risk, the Pentagon said on Friday. The U.S. Defense Department added it will continue to track the debris and issue close approach notifications as required until it enters the Earth's atmosphere. Indian couple stabbed near Germany's Munich. Man dead. Wife stable. External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj on Saturday tweeted that an Indian man named Prashant was stabbed to death by an immigrant, while his wife Smita Basarur sustained injuries near Germany's Munich. Swaraj offered her condolences and added, "We're facilitating the travel of Prashant's brother to Germany." She also asked Indian mission in Germany to take care of their 2 children.